G'day and welcome. We're at Middle Park at the moment. Got an insulated flyover roof. As you can see, we're on the roof. We've got 4 riser brackets, which we've installed one of, just like this, on top of the wall plate. Lovely 75 by 75 RHS. There'll be 5 of these in total. 4 of them, you can see, well, 1 hole, 2 hole, 3 and 4. That is for holding the back beam, and there's a hole over there. It's for the 5th one. That's going to be holding the front beam, and also 2 big Quiller posts over the lovely prepared slab for us. Benny and Andy slaving away, drilling holes in steel. Always a fun job. This is going to be quite a large undercover area. It's going to come up quite nice, eh? We've got a few other jobs planned for this house apart from the patio, but we'll keep you updated as we do them along the journey. You can see we've put it in perspective now. We've got 2 beams on top of all our riser brackets, or stump posts, whatever you like to call them. We're temporarily propped this end of the beam. We've got a flashing tacked up there just to keep the 2 beams parallel to one another. Obviously this end's fixed pointed on a stump post over there. Next stage is going to see us install 2 140 by 140 Quiller posts. They're just to go in place instead of the temporary prop. So they're quite heavy, and looking forward to installing those. 2 beautiful 140 by 140 Quiller posts installed. Gotta love that. Now ready for sheeting. Andy's just opening the pack now. So these are going to be massive, heavy, near 7 metre sheets, I think, 7 or 8 metres. So quite long, but it's going to look really good when they're on. You can see we've got the barge cappings are looking quite nice. We're done and dusted on the roof now. We've just got the cut back flashing and the gutter to go along the front edge down there. But looking quite nice, matching the existing colour scheme roof. And yeah, we'll put the gutter on, and then I'll give you the final. Yeah, you can see we're approaching the patio. Just sort of point out, we'll be back next week. We're going to be replacing a bit of fencing. So you can see this blue fence, we're going to be pulling all that down. Here and here there's going to be a gate installed where I've just walked through. You can see all the fences all leaned over here. We're just replacing this side fence. A fence at the front there, and there's one on the other side of the house. But the main part of the project's complete. See the downpipe and gutters installed. All the flashings make it look really nice, and we've given it a quick clean. And I don't know exactly what they're doing to the concrete here, whether it's going to get painted or tiled, but I'm sure it's going to be a lovely little area. Looking quite nice. Love these 140 by 140 Quiller posts. Do make it look really nice. And I suppose you'll see us at this job again soon when we complete the fence. But we're over and out for once now. Again, we've got Andy being destructive. We would say dismantling the fence, but it's actually been quite easy. It's just falling over quite easily, so we're just removing all the palings. We've got a new fence to go in, and we've just got a bit more to remove here. We've got to reinstall. You can see how the wall's slanting over there. Well, I'll put it level there. So we've got to make a nice level wall. There's going to be a retaining wall going along the fence line underneath there. So that'll keep us busy for the next day or so. And you can see we've made a bit of progress. We've got our posts in, nice and secure, with a nice concrete footing. And inside the U-channel, you can see here, we sit our sleepers to use as a retaining wall. So that sits inside the channel. And then at this section, we're going to have 1500 of fence. Then you can see here it steps down, it's going to be 1800 of fence. And we've just got a 1-board retaining wall, because they've got a dog here, so they want a little bit more protection under the fence. So we've run, as you can see, we've run 1 board the whole way along the bottom there, so the dog can't dig underneath the fence. That'll get backfilled with a bit of soil. But the next stage, we're going to have to cut the posts that are in the ground there to height, and we're going to put all the panelling in, so it should look like a fence line in the next edition. As another edition of Adaptit TV is closing in, we're just showing you all the fencing bits that we've done on this job. So you can see this is the right hand side of the house. It's just one panel and one gate. You see the lever arch there for easy access. That's just access up the side of the house there. Pretty standard stuff, looks quite nice. Locks back in. Where we spent the majority of the work is around the left hand side. And same thing, we've just got two panels and a gate at the front here. You can see the gate swinging outwards on this occasion, and that just shuts on this latch here. And then you can see all our fence panels are in, starting, or you can see where we've transferred from the 1500 high to the 1800 high, and that goes all the way along here. And we've got some 1200 panels sitting on top of the retaining wall. If you remember before, there was a retaining wall on the other side, or there was one there existing, and there's a garden bed on that side, so that's supporting that garden bed on the other side. And that finishes there, and that'll be ready to attach. They are planning on doing this fence up along the back here, but that post in there is ready to go to support a new fence, so just in case one day they do that, that's ready to go. And here's the final view of the patio. What we've also done, we've put some like a fascia cover on underneath there. When there was the existing patio, the fascia got quite damaged, and we've just put a capping over that to make the fascia look rather nice, and then some nice new guttering, so everything's looking quite nice now. And they've got themselves a nice good looking outdoor area now. So that's us signing off. Oh, I also mentioned we're getting the concrete back in. They're getting a nice, I think it's a stencil pattern on the concrete. That's pretty much all that's left to do. We'll see you next time.